What's actually hiding at the heart of a nuclear reactor? Imagine a metal cathedral devoted to one thing, managing a chain reaction so precisely that it boils water, without boiling over. At the center is the fuel, little ceramic pellets, think pencil erasers, stacked inside long metal tubes called fuel rods. Those rods bundle together into fuel assemblies, like a box of spaghetti, but with each strand designed to split atoms and release energy. Between the rods sits the moderator. Its job: slow down fast neutrons so they can trigger more splits. Depending on the design, that moderator might be water, heavy water, or even graphite, materials that act like a cosmic brake pedal for tiny bullets. Threaded through the lattice are control rods, neutron sponges. Push them in and the reaction eases. Pull them out and it livens up. They're the volume knob of the core. In an emergency, they drop in fast to shut everything down. All of this is bathed in coolant, usually water under high pressure, rushing heat out of the core. That heat makes steam. The steam spins turbines, and the turbines make electricity. Same basic idea as coal or gas, but the heat source is splitting atoms, not burning fuel. The fuel rods wear protective cladding, a corrosion-resistant metal jacket that keeps fission products sealed inside. Around the core, a thick pressure vessel holds everything steady, and beyond that, layers of shielding and a rugged containment building stand guard. Inside, it's a balancing act, geometry, materials, and timing tuned, so neutrons mostly hit fresh targets. Not too many, not too few. When it works, you get a steady, humming star in a bottle for years. So, what's inside a reactor core? Fuel that splits, a moderator that calms, control rods that steer, coolant that carries the heat, and layers of armor that keep it all where it belongs. Simple idea, precision engineered.